Yes, another fan. Don't know why, but I like finding fans because easy source of wire and has a motor in it. So all I do is just take the cable, what's this up here? Take the blade off. Sorry. Take the blade off. Put that up there. My drill. That's why I like having my drill. Let's go sometimes this gets stubborn, but there we go. Drill goes back in. Put the cable in the back. That's up. Take that. Lift that up. Wire cutters. Cut there. That goes in my bag. And then other scrappers, they'll take that. What I do is just take the motor. That's what I like to do. And I go home and grab out the motor. So yeah, one good motor done. Oh yes. And that fucking Hoover, yes. That's what I like. So, quickly. Go here. Cut that. Cut that. Old. Has to go there. That's it. That's what I like. This way it adds up. So yeah. You know, this is like at £1.20 a kilo. Just do it. So yeah. Good chunk. Okay. Got some aluminium and a nice bit of wire, what I like. Check here, nothing. Okay. So, aluminium, nice twin and nerve. So yeah, good.